Good morning, boys and girls. It is Friday, May 29th. It is the last school day of May, which means we only have a couple more weeks in June, which is unbelievable to me. This year has been flying by like crazy. Okay, my loves. So today we are going to continue with counting coins just like we were yesterday. And our I can statement today is the same as yesterday. And it says, today I can remember the value of coins and start to add them together to make change. Well, I have a very special guest, and it's a different guest than yesterday, who has found some change around our house. And she's also in second grade, and she wanted to show you how she counts her coins for her teachers. Leah, can you come on over and say good morning to everybody?
Good morning.
Awesome. Okay, so Leah, where did you find all this change from? Where did you find it?
In our big change jar.
Okay, in the change jar. Yes, we have a hopes and dreams jar. It was supposed to be for us to go to Chicago this summer, but we will save it and do something good. But in the meantime, Leah, can you tell us what coins you grabbed out of there for me today?
Yes.
Awesome.
So I grabbed a dime, 2 dimes.
She grabbed 2 dimes. That's what we got so far.
Let me see here. 2 pennies. 2 pennies. And 2 nickels and 2 quarters.
Oh my goodness, she grabbed 2 of everything. It was like a double dose of it. Okay, now Leah, you've also been working on counting coins, correct? All right, now what would you start with? Would you start with quarters or would you start with pennies?
Quarters.
And why would you start with quarters?
Because they're the biggest value.
Okay, so can you please get your quarters for me and count them? You said you had 2 of them. So how much money are you going to tell my friends that you have so far? 25 plus 25 gives us
50.
50 cents. She's absolutely correct, my friends. It is 50 cents. All right, so I'm going to take your 50 cents and I'll put it over here, and then you can go to your next value. So right now in her brain, you have how much money? What did you just tell me?
50 cents.
50 cents. Okay, so now you have your 2 dimes. And what are you going to count by now?
10.
Okay, so 50 and another 10 is 60. All right, can you put that dime in my hand, please? All right, and the next one would be 62, and then 60, and then another dime would be 70. Okay, awesome.
Then the next ones are my nickels.
Okay, your nickels. And what do you have 2 nickels again. And what do 2 nickels equal?
10.
All right, so you have 50, 60, 70, plus another 10 is 80. And then, oh, that's 2 of them. So put it right there. 80. And then we have just 2 pennies
90,
left.
80, 81, 82.
So how much money do you have that you grabbed out of the hopes and dreams jar?
82 cents.
Awesome job, my friends. And you can do the exact same thing that Leah did. Leah, thank you very much for your help today. I appreciate it.
Look all that.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot more change in there. She just grabbed out some.
I can't see.
All right, my friend. Well, thank you very much. And you can go back to your math video that I know you're working on. And we will see you all again soon.
Bye.
Thank you, Leah.
You're welcome.
All righty. Thank you so much for my lovely friend. And from there, once you've gotten a whole bunch of coins, and maybe it's out of your hopes and dreams jar or in your piggy bank or wherever, and you're counting money, please show it to your family members, just like Leah did with me today. From there, your question of the day for you to come and videotape us back with is, how much money do I have? My question says 4 quarters, 3 dimes, 2 pennies, and 4 nickels. Now I know all my friends are super smart and you've been working with your change all week. So I want you guys to please let me know and your teachers know how much money you have if you were to add all of this up. Good luck, my friends. After that, IXL. You guys know you do not need to make an account. Just hit the Keep Exploring and you'll be able to go in and see how much money each one of the 10 questions is. Let us know how you do. And from there, your application set problem says Karen has 3 dimes and 4 nickels. Now remember, dimes are worth 10 cents. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So she has 3 dimes and 4 nickels. Does she have enough money to buy a cookie that costs 50 cents? You let us know. Then from there, this is kind of like one of those fun math games that you might want to try with a friend, you might want to try on your own, and it's money bonds. You guys are so used to doing number bonds, but now you're going to do money bonds, and you'll see that each one of the values is in the middle. 41 cents, 80 cents, 26, 36, 47, 98, 66, 18, and 52. What it wants you to do is to tell us the rest of the values or tell us what you can use to get the values down at the bottom. And I'm going to do the first one with you to kind of give you an idea of what you need to do. So it's saying we have 41 cents. Well, I've got a quarter, a dime, and a penny already, and I need to fill in this last spot. All right, well, I'm going to start with my biggest value. Like Leah said, you always start with your biggest value, which means we're going to start with a quarter. A quarter is worth 25. So I've got 25 plus 10 gives me 35, plus one more gives me 36. So I've got 36 cents in my brain, but I have to get to 41. So I want you guys to close your eyes for a second, pause the video, and think to yourself, how do I get from 36 to 41? All right, my friends, I'm going to count up 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. I need 5 more cents. So am I going to use a quarter, a nickel, a dime, or a penny? That's right, my friends. I'm going to use a nickel, and I'm going to write an N in my spot. And I'd like you guys to continue with the rest of these. Like I said, if you need a family member to help you, feel free to do that. From there, I have attached a game for you all to play today. Look at the game instructions, and from there, make the game itself. It's called Money Island Math Challenge. Send us the pictures. Nora does this a lot where she has the pictures of the game and she sends them out to the teachers, and it's really fun to see. So it says, practice using and counting coin skills. That is your goal for the day. Get your game board set up and go ahead. I know you can do it. After you've done that and you've sent us the pictures, go on to Zearn, Mathseeds, or Prodigy for 15 minutes and continue being those math wizards I keep saying you are. And then let us know how you feel about money after doing an entire week's worth of money. Do you feel better than you did at the beginning of the week? I hope so, because you guys are very, very smart and you've been working very, very hard. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you next week. Goodbye, my friends, and enjoy your weekend.